This is my first time attending a Marcus Evans event, and so far I find it to be phenomenally worthwhile.
I think what's unique about this is it's a high quality, high powered 2 days of sorting out who's got needs that match your services.
I think that we've gotten multiple, opportunities. Almost every person we've met with, there's some follow-up to be done that could lead to business for us. So, there's still work to be done, but it's given us a lot of leads, today to start working on.
The entire scheduling process was flawless. It was very easy to work on the system online. Everything that Marcus Evans said was going to happen happened on time and worked phenomenally well.
I had an idea of what the one-on-ones would be like. You do a lot of work to find the right matches and go through the process of looking at companies that are a fit with yours. But I've been very impressed with the quality of the one-on-one conversation. It's a simple, quick environment. It's quiet.
It works well because there's a lot of presentations from people in the industry. So you're learning a lot about the vision of the industry and where it's going. That kind of helps you think about where you want to go as a company moving forward. But then you also have the one-on-one personal meetings with these people where you can talk directly about your business today and how can you provide service today to these people and add value.